solution. Now, let's understand that a to the power n plus 1 is the same as a to the power n times a to the power 1. So from lots of indices, so this one is the same as this. So when we compare to the question, 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to 200. Now, we can write this one as 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 1 equals to 200. Remember, any non-zero number to the power 1 is that number. So we have this one as 5. So it's still 5, okay? So let's divide both sides by this 5 here. So times 5. So I'll divide both sides by 5 over 5. Now this one will go. I will leave it 5 to the power x equals to 5 here 1, 5 here 4 plus 0. That is 40. Alright, so we have 5 to the power x equals to 40. So 5 to the power x equals to 40. We still have to go down again. So the only option here is to take log on both sides. Okay, so I'll take log 5 to the power x equals to log 40. Remember, there's a power rule. Following log a to the power t, the same as t log a. So this one is power rule. Okay. All right. So from here, I'll arrive at x log 5 equals to log 40. Now let's divide both sides by log 5. Log 5. Okay, so this side, this one will cancel, and we have log 40 on log 5. So we can still prove further. Okay, so x equals to log 40 on log 5. Okay, so let's observe the numerator. 8 times 5 is 40. So we can rewrite the 40 as 8 times 5. So I have the numerator as, so instead of 40, I'll make it 8 times 5 on log 40. All right, so let's observe this. When we have log a plus b, okay, the same as, so this one is a product rule. So the product rule, this one will be log ab, log ab. All right, so from here, this side, the numerator will be log 8 plus log 5. Okay, oh sorry, this side is 5, not 40. Okay, so log 8 plus log 5 will be on the numerator. Okay, while the denominator remains unchanged, this side is still 5. So I have log 8 plus log 5 on log 5. Now let's observe this one carefully. When we have log 8 plus log 5 or log 5, is the same as a plus b over t, where this one will be a over t plus b over t. So from here, you can say log 8 on log 5 plus log 5 on log 5. Okay, so what can you say about the second term? So this one will cancel. And I have log 8 on log 5 plus 1. So log 8 on log 5 plus 1. Okay. Now, when we have log A on log B, is the same as log A to base B. So this one is change of base. Okay. That is change of base. So I'll write the first term here, okay, as x equals to log 8 to base 5 plus 1, which is the same as, so 2 to the power 3, okay, is 8. It's the same as 3. So if I put 2 to the power 3 here, the 3 will come behind. That will be log, okay, 2 to base 5 plus 1. So this one is the same as that. So that's the answer for the question. Now the question is 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to 200. So let's verify if our answer is indeed correct here. Okay, so let's verify. Now with the verification, we'll make it precise here. So 5 to the power x, we will plug in x here as log 8 to base 5 plus 1. So that will be 5. So instead of x, I'll put log 8. So this side will be log 8 base 5 plus 1. That is x, okay, plus 1. Remember, is 5 to the power x plus 1 equals to 200. All right. So from here, we can deal with the bracket here first, okay? Since this one can be written as 5, okay, so we can say 5 to the power log 8 base 5 plus 1 times 5 to the power 1. So this one is here. And we can rewrite this one as 5 raised to log 8 base 5 times 5 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 1. Okay. So this side, okay, this side, when you have a raised to log x to base a, so this one is a property. The answer is x. So when you compare this one to this, 8 is the answer here. So that would be 8 times 5 times 5. So 8, 5, 40. 40 times 5 is 40 times 5 will be 200. All right. So that's the answer.